Hi, welcome to Rozey K9 Farm. This is two standard poodle female puppies. They are 4 months old here, so they're ready to go anytime. We have Star right there, and then that one is Flag. Flag has a natural tail left on her. So as you can see, they're very active, playful pups. And all of our puppies come up to date on their health care, as in vaccines, dewormings. They also come with a health guarantee. So they're very similar here. Come here. Alright, you guys are just playing with each other. This one is Flag. Got a very sweet, laid-back personality. This one is Star. And is it still? So if you'd like some more information, you can give us a call, 616-892-1993. We'd love to give you some more information on our standard poodles, and especially these 4-month-old girls that we have available. They also do have a brother that is brown available. So you can give us a call, 616-892-1993, or check us out on our website at rozeyk9farm.com. That's ROZEYK, the number 9 farm.com. All right, come here. Good job. Come here.